Dave can suck my sack. For Gondor! Hey yo, I'm Tim. I'm out here and I'm gonna teach y'all how to make a shelter in the woods. I got my cousin Brendan behind the camera. Thank you, Brendan. This is something that my beloved Uncle Dave taught me. You just basically put a bunch of sticks together and make a shelter, and that's what I'm gonna show you. All right. Let's build it. Got this? Good. This is a stick. This is a stick. By what I can understand, this is also a stick. Come on, Brennan. Should we do another beer? Alright, move out of the way because I'm coming in with this Brent.
All right.
You're not doing anything standing there. I'm gonna build this shelter. You don't know shit.
You don't know what I don't know.
I know exactly what you don't know. I know you're an idiot. That's what I know. Fucking asshole. I'm sorry for calling you an asshole. I know that you're out here helping me with my channel. Keep forgetting what we're doing here. We're gonna have to go into a different part of the wood and find some more substantial wood pieces for this because honestly, I think these might be rotten. You want one? Alright. Now I'm ready to do this fucking Uncle Dave bullshit tent. Alright. Come on, Brendan. Come on, Brendan. You wearing high socks for ticks? Well, I'm not because I forgot. Come on, Brendan. Get my gun, okay, right? Alright, let's go this way. Come on, Brendan. This is looking pretty aligned with my expectations. Brennan, it is so important for us to be out here in the woods right now because you have to slow down. I don't know why it's our responsibility to make tents and stuff. Slow down, be a part. Be a part of nature. We live in houses. Why are we out here making shelters and whatnot?
I'm your favorite cousin, Tim.
Yeah, I guess. I don't want to make a shelter no more. You know why? Because I got video games at home. Why am I out here making a shelter when I got video games at home? Shit. Why don't you go to some other page on YouTube to find out how to make a shelter? It doesn't have to be mine. Uncle Dave.
You, Tim.
Shut up, Brendan. You don't know shit. I'd like to apologize to my followers because of my anger problems.
And Uncle Dave.
No, Uncle Dave. I'd like to apologize to my followers for my anger problem. I think that sometimes I get ahead of myself, so Uncle Dave can suck my sack. I'm gonna lay down, actually. I can't build a fucking shelter. Yo, you want a shotgun, another beer? Sorry about that.
You, Tim.
Fuck you, Brennan. You know I love you, though. Brennan.
Yeah.
Can you throw me a bear? Careful, underhand. Oh, nice shelter, right? you, Uncle Dave. I can make a shelter. You want to get in here, or are you good? You're good. All right. Good night.